All right, for number 4, due to the force of gravity, a person on the surface of the Earth weighs 785 newtons. If the same person was on the newly discovered planet X-23, the weight would become 798 newtons. Which statement could explain the change in gravitational force? So it's kind of obvious, but we're going to state the obvious here. We went from 785 newtons to 298 newtons, so that's a decrease in force. So we're going to be looking for an answer choice with A, B, C, and D that results in an overall decrease of force. So A, X-23 could have a greater mass than the Earth, but a shorter radius and length than the Earth. What's going to happen here is the greater mass on the Earth will cause an increase. And then a shorter radius length will also cause an increase because they'll be getting closer together. So A will result in increases, and that doesn't work for us. So X-23 could have a greater mass on the Earth. Well, that is an increase. We just explained that if you increase the mass, the force will increase, but the same radius. That'll result in no change. There's nothing wrong with no change there, but we should have something decreasing. So this part here where the mass increases disqualifies B. Looking at C, X-23 could have a lesser mass than on the Earth. A less mass would cause a decrease in the force, so it's a possibility, but we can't say for sure. And then a longer radius length, that's also a decrease. So it's looking like it's going to be C, because both of those components will cause an overall decrease. Looking at D, X-23 could have the same mass as the Earth, but a shorter radius length. Same mass would cause no change there. And then a shorter radius length than the Earth would cause it to increase. So it looks like C is the only option that results in an overall decrease in force. So we're going to go with C because both